Hey, this is Shawn Shawn Enterprises Online Entrepreneur Royalty Affiliate. I'm here with some new exciting news of a new royalty update. They keep adding on, keep making it better, keep making it better. Here we are in the month of October, the beginning of the fourth quarter in your business, and we are still giving you more content, more product so that you can make money online and advertise your business online. What we have here, as you can see right here in the screen behind me, our new content marketing feature is live. It is live, and I want to take you through it to see exactly what it is that you are getting. Um, Content marketing. Let's take a look. What you see here is one that I kind of tested to see exactly how it works. So I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go when you create one. You click to add new. As you can see, we have multiple categories here and niches and businesses that you could choose one. Let's say e-commerce. Let's click on that, see what we get. Give it a second to load up, and here come your articles. Pre-done articles, pre-done content for your social media, your blog, or wherever it is you would like to post it. Let's see this. Take this one here. This looks nice. 10 timeless e-commerce tips for small businesses. We're going to select that, highlight it, hit select. Give it a second. There we go. As you can see right here, you could change the image if you choose to. You can edit the title, edit the post description if you choose, but we're going to leave it just like this for the sake of this video. Come down, you could choose a landing page that you have pre-built in our system if you like. Let's say we'll choose this one here that I have. You can add a description if you choose. You can choose to change the content fields if you like. Right now I have the name and email required. If you want, you can choose for, say, add phone number and add additional fields if you choose. We're going to click the save button. Alright, click out of here and let's click the red post button here. Post to send. It's going to ask you where do you want to send it to. We're going to send it to my Facebook page. And click the share button. Give it a couple seconds. And there's your article. There's your pre-done post for your Facebook page. Like I say, Royalty does everything to you. You can come in here, you can add a brief description to your article. Let's say good read, excellent info. At some point, let's hit post to Facebook, and it has posted. It is posted. Click yes, it did post to Facebook. Click to save and edit. And that's how quick and easy it is to post. As you can see right here already, I have 3 views on it. One person has already clicked. Okay, that was my previous post, my test post that I did. Already, like I said, 3 people have seen it. One person has clicked on it, which is excellent. Now, social media marketing, social media advertising, is about using several different strategies to get engagement on your page. It's not always about selling all the time. The thing is, a lot of times you burn out your warm market. So you have to kind of backdoor them with information that they can find useful, could place you in a position of an authority in your field. Then you could circle back around and maybe hit them with a pitch if you choose to. All right, Royalty has made it a lot easier for you to do that, to kind of re-engage people that have kind of tuned you out on social media using content marketing. This is a very powerful tool, and again, you get it for free. There's no additional cost to this. Again, like I say, you can come in $87 a month, get you 10,000 views on your advertisement with Royaltie, and it doesn't get any better than that. If you have any questions, any questions about our new content marketing feature, you can reach me. Again, my name is Shawn, online entrepreneur, Shawn Enterprises. You can reach me 410-929-3390. If this sparks you and you would like to get in, I suggest you get in before the 23rd of November, like I said, 2019, because we have a huge feature coming that will be launched, and the prices remain the same, but you won't get the same ad views that you get. The ad views will basically be cut in half. I suggest you come in now, get grandfathered in, so that way you won't lose anything. You keep the same value plus gain more for the same price. You get more bang for your buck, if you will. Again, Shawn Enterprises. Any questions, you can reach me 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time.